All right, we learned about the Stinky Pirates last week. We did our pirate march. We marched around, yes sir, and we had our big arg, and we'll get to sing along with that again in a little bit. I'll let you go listen to that in a minute. But I wanted to go over some of the rhythms because I know we had some questions because unfortunately Miss Murphy didn't explain it very well with the cards that you have, because some of you were putting this little figure into your rhythms, and some of you didn't know what it was because Miss Murphy hadn't explained it yet. So this rhythm right here, and some of you even said quiet, or you said stop, and this is a rest. And for kindergarten, we say shh when we see it, and for first grade, we show a silent beat by going. So we're showing that it still has a beat, but it doesn't make a sound. And so that happened in a couple of the rhythms that we were using. So let's just go ahead, and I'm going to see if I can get this closer. And I'm sorry about the glare. We're doing the best we can with the situation that we have here. So if I get it closer. Okay, so we're going to start out with the beat. Remember, steady beat stays the same. Steady beat doesn't change. So we're going to put that back there, and we're going to show each of these hearts are going to represent a beat. So beat, 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 beat. We are stinky pirates sailing on the seas. We are stinky pirates. So each one of those is a beat. We are stinky pirates. And then on top of the beat, we're adding the rhythms. So last week we did some rhythm writing using TTs and TAs. For those of you that were in class, we used popsicle sticks. For some of you we didn't get to that. And for those of you at home, I know you didn't get to do that. But if you have some sticks at home, if you have some spoons, some crayons, some pencils, I'm going to show you right now. I've got 3 pens. And look, I made a TT with 3 pens. So this could be a ta. So you could write ta, 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 ta. Use 4 pens. And then you could make a TT using 3 pens or 3 crayons. But you can create rhythms at home using different objects if you didn't have your cards at home. But we have our cards. So we're going to go ahead and recreate We Are Stinky Pirates. So we know that we are, that's 2 sounds on a beat. Remember that the TT is 2 sounds on a beat. TT, we are. So we're going to put that one on top of our first beat. So we have we are. Now our next one, stinky. So how many sounds did we hear on that beat? Stinky. 2 more. So we need another TT for that. So far we have we are stinky, and then we have pirates. We are stinky pirates. Pirates. And that would be, of course, another TT, 2 sounds on a beat. So let's look at it. TT, TT, TT. We are stinky pirates. So there's a beat right there, but it's not making a sound. And so that means we're going to need our rest. And the big name for that is a quarter rest. We'll learn that later. For right now, we're just going to call it a rest. And you can also say shh. So we're going to put that there. And if we're in kindergarten, now remember these are our rhythms. Rhythm. T, 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 shh. And first grade, we're going to start working on not saying that shh and just showing the quiet beat. So it'd be T, 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 T. And just like you read from left to right when you're reading a book, we read music from left to right. So we start on this side. So if you would take your rhythm cards and go ahead and build this rhythm and then practice reading it from left to right. You're going to point to each beat and go beat, 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 T, 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 shh, T, 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 shh. And then what I want you to do is take this rest and move it to a different place. So what if we put the TT over here and we put the shh here? What's it going to sound like now? Let's see. So we have T, 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 sh, T, T. Now let's read that again. T, 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 sh, T, T. So be creative and make your own rhythm and practice those this week. So remember again, we're making rhythms and practicing our rhythm patterns. And we have TT, we have ta, which is one sound on a beat, so you can make rhythms with that. And then we have our rest. So enjoy making those rhythms, and then go ahead and sing this song, and then we will go on to the next thing in our lesson. So I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead. Here are those that we did last week, so you're welcome to do those again. But this is the main thing that you're going to turn in this week, is our grade check assignment. So I'm going to put a video on here that shows you how to check your child's grade, or to check your own grade. But when you go start right here, just like we do a quiz each week, it says, what is your grade in music class? See video on this slide to show you how to check your grade. So there'll be a video right here that'll help you with that. But do you have an A between a 90 and 100? Then yay. If you have in B, do you have a B, 80 to 89? Yay. C, it's going to say C number 3 below, and you'll see that in a minute. And D or F, C number 3 below. That would be below. So anything below an A or a B, we need to fix that. So that just means you're probably missing an assignment. So make sure that you see me so that we can take care of that. And number 3 is going to be the number 3 question. So you'll see that in a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and push this arrow. It says, did you check to see if you were missing any assignments? And you'll click yes or no. And then finally, Miss Murphy wants to help you catch up if you are missing any assignments. Will you message her if you need help catching up in music class? And of course, you're going to say yes or no. And I hope you will, because I would love to help you catch up if you're behind. Don't worry, I'm happy to help you. So then you're going to click this yellow arrow. You'll click the orange button in the middle. You'll say submit, just like we do our exit tickets each week. And then that green OK button's going to come up. And then that's it for this week. Everything else is going to be extra. So you've got your checklist. Listen to the song of the month. Watch the video with Miss Murphy. Sing along with Stinky Pirates. Review the rhythm of the words to Stinky Pirates, which is what we just did. Your grade check assignment, and then your extras. So we'll go ahead and look at those real quick. We've got a song called Go and Stop. That's lots of fun, and there's a choreography to learn with it. And then you have Boom Cards Fast Play. And this is just practicing your tas and your TTs. You listen to the sound. Get you 4 clicks, then listen. Ooh. So let's listen to that again. So I heard. So then I would drag that rhythm. Ta, ta, T, 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 T. And so, and this is, again, this is just an extra activity for those who want to move ahead, because this is a little bit challenging for us right now. But that's it for this week. So make sure you listen to the videos, make sure you check your grades, and submit that ticket about your grades, and then you're done for the week. Hope you have a great week. Bye-bye.